If I get a YouTube strike because you're singing that song, it's your fault. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video of hopefully getting this clutch changed today. Yet again we have our new resident cameraman slash mechanic Levi. We're going to strap the engine up. We've already undone the gearbox bolts underneath. We just left one in just to retain the box when we drop it. We've got the clutch in the car, I'll go and get that one in a minute. Anything else to add for a moment? Nope, let's just get on with it. Subframe's out over there as we promised. We're doing it properly this time. So all we've got now is to disconnect one bolt on the gearbox, drop the mount.
Yeah, and you clip from the drive shaft the other side.
Yeah, so other than that we're ready to drop. So I'm going to go get the clutch out of the car, come back, say undo that last half shaft, and yeah, let's get this gearbox out.
We're right over Kansas, about 23,000 feet in the air. At this moment, we're flying across the American Midwest. At this moment, we're...
We haven't got a clutch alignment tool, so we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. Cable ties. So, first things first, I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to look on the back of the clutch for, I've washed my hands obviously before doing this, so we're looking for flywheel side on the clutch plate itself. It doesn't say it on there, so what I will do is I'll just quickly compare it with the other clutch. So flywheel side is this side. I'm going to line it up.
Oh boy.
Line it up directly like that. Let's go up through here. So that pops up through. Down into there. Yeah, like that.
When it comes up.
When it comes up. Come on. Right. So I'm going to use probably 3 cable ties to do this. And you could possibly get away with 2, but just for extra bodgeries and security. Do those we folded over. I will put a third one in a minute. I just want to get these 2 secure. Seriously, do not try fitting a clutch like this at home. It's not advisable.
There's a bloody Venga boys stuck in my head now.
You got the why the Venga boys?
We like the party.
Right, I think naturally, I think we're going to get away with 3.
He like to party. Do 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 do.
If I get a YouTube strike because you're singing that song, it's your fault. Right, so.
It could be worse.
Well, yeah.
We are the cheeky.
Oh no. Really? You can see where it's got to be central. So. Alright. Don't remember where the lugs go. I think that's a lug. Yep. That's a lug. That's a lug. Get the bolts in first. Right, so with all the bolts just finger tighted in, what I'm going to do now is just check from the top and just make sure that the clutch is actually on line with the pressure plate behind, and if it is, I reckon we should get the torque wrench, and we'll torque it down, and then we shall remove these cable ties, and hopefully, I mean, it looks like from eyeballing it, we are exactly in the right place, which is a good one. So there you are. You can see it's pretty much on line. I mean, probably a couple of mil here and there. So yeah, that's not how to fit a clutch, but it's worked so far. So we're going to get the torque wrench, get it all torqued down, make sure it's all lined up, remove the cable ties, and then do gearbox on. Oh, and what we are going to do is replace that manky, horrible starter motor with a new one. So let's get on with it. There we are, 1 clutch installed. And I think we're pretty much online. So let's go and fit a gearbox and see how well the cable tie clutch alignment tool worked. What do you reckon?
Soon find out.
Soon find out. Let's find out. Okay, right. Just changed the concentric slave cylinder in the replacement gearbox, which is down there like that. So that's replaced. Yeah, so we're going to go get the gearbox in. I'm not going to bother replacing the starter today, only because it's starting to spit with rain ever so slightly. and we're starting to get a bit dark, so we're just going to quickly hump this gearbox in, bolt it up. I don't know if we'll do subframe yet, but we'll see how we get on for time. If not, then we'll just continue this video tomorrow, where I try and get the subframe back up, or whatever we haven't got done today, basically, we'll get done tomorrow. So I'm going to keep this to one video, so don't worry, I'm not splitting it. So let's get on. Right, so after an hour, if not more, of trying to fight the gearbox in, it's finally in. There's a lot of messing around, a lot of cussing and swearing, but we're in. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to finish bolting up the gearbox for tonight. Levi's now gone home because he's obviously got another job to do. So I'm going to carry on for a little bit off camera just to get the bolts in, because tomorrow we're hopefully going to get the starter motor in, subframe and all that. I'm going to change the swap the half shafts over as well, because obviously that cut one's currently still in there. So I'm going to go and refuel and I'm going to finish off. Right, so this next day, yet again, life under the blue sheet, because it's raining yet again. Right, so far we've got subframe in, steering rack's up, radiator's all up, that's all unstrapped. Excuse me.
That to fall in.
That was short-lived. So what else is there left to do? Yes, starter motor, drive shafts, just basically connecting everything up now. And hopefully we should have this on its wheels today. We're not really going to be able to do a lot with the filming wise, because the weather is really bad. These sheets are blowing everywhere, and yeah, we're swimming around in floodwater, which is great. Not. Right, I'm going to set the camera up and we're just going to get on with it. Okay, right. So far we've got the exhaust back on. Levi's just down there working on the drive shaft and the brakes and stuff on this side. All the half shafts in, everything's all that. All the gear selectors in, clutch lines in, earth straps on. We just got to do the starter motor, the hub, shock assembly and all that on the passenger side. And I think then we're almost ready to try and fire this thing up, aren't we? So yeah, we're close now. It's just unfortunately, as you can probably hear, and I'll show you, this weather is absolutely savage. I mean, look at it. So we are officially underwater getting this car ready. It's not nice. So we're just going to put the camera down, we're just going to crack on, and probably the next shot is going to be of us getting this, trying the first start. Alright, so here we go. Here's the key. This is genuinely the first start, so we don't know what's going to happen here yet. Could go up in smoke or it could work. Make sure he's in neutral, now we've got neutral. Here we go. Well, we've got a little bit of movement down here. Hey? Yeah, put it in first. Hey? Slipping. That's second. That's third. That's fourth. That's fifth. That's sixth. Reverse. Yep, reverse lights come on. Yep, reversing. There, just for the camera, do it again.
First.
There's gear.
Second. Third.
Fifth. Sixth. You're hey. Shut it off and just check that clutch again, shall we? Might as well wind the window back up. How's that clutch feel now? Still sticky point, yeah? Right. Up goes the window. Right, so we're going to try, just bleed it up a little bit more. As you see, we've now got 6 gears and a reverse, which is better than what it did have when it turned up here a week tomorrow, because today's date is, just look at the phone, it's the 16th today, so it's literally been here, what, 6 days, and we've done 3 days work? Yeah, three days on this, so we're going to whip the battery back off, just going to give it another little bleed, just make sure everything's alright, and yeah, I think that's about it. So we're going to do that off camera, we're going to have a little bit of a tidy up. Unfortunately, like I say, today it was just such bad weather that we couldn't actually do anything, well, couldn't film rather, but at least we have got the car running again, it's changing gear, and we have some sort of clutch, we just need to bleed it up a little bit more. So that'll be it for now. In the next video I'll let you know just how it went on. Next video I think I'm going to be ripping apart the front end, because I'm not going to bother taking it off the jack stands yet, because I still need to change the wings, which means I've got to drop all the side skirts off and everything. So that's where it'll be from that one. Give us a like, subscribe, do all your usual, and I shall catch you in the next one, where hopefully this thing should be going back on its wheels with its new front end ish. See you in the next one.